So now that we're done with the marination bit, we're almost on the cooking process now. So Munawwar साहब, marination तो हो गई, तो अब से
Now we will start the cooking. As आप देख सकती हैं कि मैंने मछली को, पाम्फ्रेट को सीख में लगाया है.
कितनी देर में platter ready हो जाता है?
ये 15 मिनट में ready हो जाता है सब कुछ.
So 15 minutes and our platter is going to be ready.
Yes.
तो कितने लोगों को सर्व करता है एक platter?
ये platter जो है हम जो यहाँ बनाते हैं ये 2 लोगों के लिए होता है.
अच्छा, it's for 2 people.
It's for 2 people and
so we're putting everything on the grill now.
Yes.
And it takes the same amount of time too?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Seafood, it takes around 10, 12, 15 minutes maximum. Here we come again,
so again
to
with
our
the barbecue sauce,
secret sauce, which gives the taste.
Okay. इसको भी 2-3 दफा ब्रश करेंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Even when it's ready.
Yes, जैसे ready होगा final, उसके बाद हम फिर इसको brush करेंगे इनको. ये देखें इस पे बहुत प्यारा grill marks आ रहा है इसके ऊपर.
I love the red color on the crab that comes.
Yes. We don't have to cook much because अगर आप ज़्यादा time पकाएंगे, it will turn into like a rubber.
So now we're decorating the plate.
I will start putting the things which are almost ready.
Wow. I can feel butterflies in my stomach as Mr. Munawwar is putting things into the plate.
Food के साथ-साथ decoration, garnishing is very important. Before you eat, you see the food. The platter is ready, and here is our.
Gorgeous, actually.
So let's move to the table.
Now we're at the table, finally sitting with the food. I'm really excited, more than excited. I'm hungry. So Munawwar Saab, you'll be teaching me how to eat the crabs.
I will start with the lobster.
Okay. Oh.
Yes, and put some lemon juice on top.
Well, Munawwar Saab has been a great help today. He's been amazing, especially with the food.
Here comes
and
our
with him
secret
sauce
again, the barbecue sauce. That is our specialty. This is our secret. So again, this will be put on. Yes, and now you can start having the lobster, please.
Wow. I was sure it's going to taste as good as I saw it cooking. Well, amazing taste, Munawwar Saab.
Thank you very much.
And the barbecue sauce, which has been brushed so many times, did really help. I mean, it gives such an extra oomph that is always missing in most of the food we eat. Tell me something about the place, Munawwar Saab, about its history, about it being so famous for its barbecue and seafood.
Well, Beach Luxury Hotel is a history. It has a history. It is the most oldest hotel in Pakistan, in Karachi. It belongs to Behram Awari Sahab. हमारे पास एक restaurant 007 है, जिसके अंदर हमने theme दिया हुआ है James Bond का. इसके अलावा we are having on our sea front, as you can see, we have a very beautiful sea view. That this view no one has in Karachi. No hotel has that.
I'm sorry.
Yes, it's the most beautiful hotel site. Now I would like to present you the platter. The first which goes is our grill barbecue pomfret, and I will give you this prawns, and I will put the same sauce on it, and you please try.
Just as the fish, the prawn even has the taste of its own. I mean, it is not at all overdone with the spices, and again the barbecue sauce has just added the right amount of taste in it.
Now try some of this.
I'll be putting on the barbecue sauce.
Yes. And then you have to, for this you have to use your hand. If you really want to chew them and have the meat from it,
So I'm using my hands for this.
you have to make your hand dirty.
I don't mind doing that.
I will,
As long as it tastes really good.
yes, I will help you and show you how to do it. You see, you have to use your hand like this, and here you really,
Stir it apart.
see, I'm sure you're getting
Although
the taste.
my hands are dirty.
Yeah.
But see, as I told you, as long as it tastes good, it doesn't really matter if your hands are dirty
अगर
or
आप
not.
really enjoy करने चाहती हैं इसका taste, तो you
I
have
love
to use.
crabs.
Yeah. So you have to use your hand and eat. I'm sure you're enjoying.
Of course I am.
अब मैं आपको दिखाने चाह रहा हूँ crab के claws,
Okay.
जो कि
Is it even harder to eat?
no harder, बस इसके लिए we need this cracker या इसको आप प्लाया
Right,
कहते हैं,
right.
and इसको क्या करते हैं हम इसमें इसको जैसे हम walnut को
Right,
crack करते हैं, so we are cracking this.
Okay. Okay, meat आसानी से इसका निकल जाए.
जी, and इसका जो shell है ऊपर ये जो है, and ये इसको हम crack करते हैं. This you can eat.
So now we're
Yes.
like peeling off
Yeah.
the claws of the crab.
Yes, that's why मैंने कहा कि आपको हाथ
It'll be
इस्तेमाल
easier for
करना
me,
पड़ेगा.
right.
हाथ जब तक आप इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे, you cannot enjoy eating crabs, prawns, especially. Fish you can eat with your fork or
course.
knife, but with this you have to enjoy bit by bit.
It's really hard. As you can see me enjoying my food with Munawwar Saab, I'll be saying goodbye to you, and I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll be seeing you next week with another travel and culinary experience.